life. It is actually 6:15 in the morning. Lukas woke up at 5:30 this morning and would not go back to sleep. There he is. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys what I do for my morning cup. So here we go. And before we get started, I just wanted to share with you guys how the coffee bar is looking. I ended up getting this new frother just because I was curious, and I will be doing a review pretty soon on it. Spoiler alert, I like it. And then I got this little bear from Anthropologie. It's supposed to be a honey pot, but I'm using it for sugar. I don't like getting messy. I put the little spoon that I used to have in there and then just cover him up. But that's how it's looking. A little messy on this side, so let's ignore that side. Okay, let's make some coffee. Usually in the mornings, I like a big cup of coffee, so I'm using Melozio, which is a really nice pod. I actually reviewed it for you guys, so I'll link it up above if you want to see that. This this creamer has been really nice, and the reason I say frother is because it actually froths like a dream. I think I like the vanilla flavor better, but the oatmeal one is also good. I think I'll prefer that one more in the fall, but the way it froths is super nice. The name Froth Boss actually is a very, very appropriate. I usually sip on my coffee while watching Lukas play. Sometimes I'll let him watch Cocomelon or whatever show he wants to watch on TV, just so that I can have some quiet time in the morning. He plays really well by himself, especially if Scarlett's around. I think they keep each other busy. Moving on to breakfast, and by now you can see why I like a big cup of coffee, because it lasts me throughout this whole process. Usually I finish it cold, but by that time it's just very, very little. But we usually have breakfast together, me and Lukas, and I'll keep sipping on my coffee until the very last drop. Lukas is down for his second nap. So usually I drink my second cup of coffee after he goes down for a nap because I don't like drinking it while he's awake. Coffee is my quiet time. So yeah, it's 1:51 and I'm just gonna make my second cup. Usually it's iced, and usually the second one comes around 5 hours at least. I think we had our coffee at 6:30, 7 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's been more than 5 hours. So let's make some iced coffee, shall we? Also, let me show you guys. I just got this from Target. We had to go because I had to pick up some milk, and I saw this at their dollar spot. It was only $5. I thought it was a nice little thing to add just a bit more color to this area. So yeah. Okay, let's make this coffee. I usually get my milk first. I'm using silk almond milk for my iced latte. And then I pick one of my fun little iced coffee cups. This one is from Anthropologie. And then for the espresso, we're gonna use Arondio, which is a Gran Lungo. It's still espresso, it's just brewed longer, so it has just a tiny bit more water volume. But I love the notes of this pod. It's really, really nice. You can either use your reusable ice, hyper chiller, or just regular ice. Honestly, for espresso, I don't think it ever matters. I prefer those type of things for like the bigger coffee cups if I'm doing them iced. I'm doing 1 tablespoon of Monin French vanilla. Usually I pour my milk first and then my espresso, and there you have it, my afternoon iced latte. This is so good. This is Arondio. It's a Gran Lungo, and it's hit or miss with some people. Some people really like it, some people don't even get it. A Lungo is still an espresso, but it's brewed with more water. So I guess if you're trying to like a rondio and you still haven't figured it out, but you like the taste of it, like the notes, just brew it as an espresso and stop your machine early. I kind of had to do that right now because I forgot how much it brews. Had I not stopped it, I think it would have overflowed in my little espresso pour. So I did stop it slightly. My iced latte is still pretty good. Oh. I love it. I love rondio and a little bit of French vanilla from Monin and silk almond milk. Pretty good. On a good day, I only drink 2 coffees. If I've had a long day, again, coffee to me is like a relaxing little moment. So if I've had a long day and I feel like drinking coffee in the evening, it'll for sure be a decaf. Decaf video coming soon. I know you guys have been wanting a decaf review on the pods. If you guys are on the fence, just get them. I like them. My favorite kind of decaf is the half calf. Like that is my favorite from like the decaf family. But if you want just a full-on decaf option, I like Antuoso. I think it's what it's called. And then their espresso version. So like their single espresso is really good for like a nice small latte in the evening. That's usually what I do. This is Decaffeinato Antuoso. I think I'm saying it right. This is the Gran Lungo version. I think I have the other one stored away, but it's just their decaf espresso. I love that one for the evening for just a small latte, and that is it. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna go and enjoy my coffee while Lukas naps, maybe read a little bit and do some leftover like chores that I have to do, like fold laundry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.